Hey Traillights, welcome back to Happy Box How-Tos. We know craft dinner is a go-to for many first-year students, but sometimes that cheese powder just doesn't cut it. Today we're making homemade macaroni and cheese, but in the microwave. For this recipe, you'll need 1/3 of a cup of dry pasta, 3/4 of a cup of cold water, 4 tablespoons of milk, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, 4 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese, salt, and pepper. Pour your dry pasta and cold water into a large microwave-safe mug or bowl. Microwave for about 3.5 minutes or until your pasta is fully cooked. Pour off any excess water and stir in the milk, cornstarch, and cheese. Put it back in the microwave for about 1 minute. Add in salt and pepper to taste, stir, and enjoy. We hope you love this recipe as much as we do. Make sure to tune in next time for some more great tips for life as a first-year student. Until then, happy microwaving!